Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best power tool set that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Skil 4-Tool Combo Kit. The Skil Combo Kit is a 4-tool kit that has taken the hardware market by storm thanks to its performance. This kit happens to be one of the best power tool sets in today's market, overtaking several popular brands in the process. It features only 4 tools, but each machine is durable and efficient enough to be used for diverse applications. We trust that with such versatility under their belt, Skil will be your next choice when searching for the perfect power tool. It is a one-stop shop for both large and small projects, and we'll show you why. This 4-tool combo kit from Skil features a cordless drill driver, a charger, reciprocating saw, impact driver, and 2 lithium batteries. The batteries and chargers are unique to Skil and as such cannot be used with any other products. Moving on at number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER Combo Kit. The BLACK+DECKER Combo Kit is by far one of our personal favorites. It's also a winner among workshop tinklers. This DIY-worthy combo kit is a cordless unit featuring 4 amazing tools for all your applications. It's suitable for large and small projects alike since it operates using a double runtime, without consuming a lot of energy. We simply love that the BLACK+DECKER Combo Kit is cordless because it allows for easy transportation and movement when that's what you need. Besides the 2 battery system, there are other fantastic tools this combo kit features that enable you to work with a new level of ease. The first tool in this combo kit is a drill driver, but there's also a clutch and an LED system that lights up your work surface for proper visibility at all times. The next tool is a circular saw, which has a sharp blade and a high-torque motor for top-notch performance. At number 3, we have the Makita XT335S Combo Kit. Here's yet another wonderful combo kit from the Makita camp. Considering all the hype, have you ever wondered how Makita became one of the world's favorite brushless motor brands? We have too, and that's why we've studied all their products since their launch, coming up with one major observation: Makita is an evolving and learning brand. This company is always on the lookout for new technologies that support its brushless motor brand. Their team consists not just of designers and engineers but also technology enthusiasts who understand the need to keep power tool sets at par with evolving principles and theories. At number 2, we have the Ryobi P884 Combo Kit. Ryobi, the name for all household hardware appliances and the answer to all your tough jobs. We've finally found an affordable and durable solution for you. If it wasn't already implied, it's the Ryobi P884 Combo Kit, a state-of-the-art kit put together by the best in the business. This kit, unlike many popular kits, doesn't come with many tools, but the pieces included are powerful and exceptional enough to surpass the thousands that others may be armed with. What's more, this 6-tool combo kit is built by Ryobi for your garages and construction sites. The power tool kit itself features an 18-volt dual chemistry charger as well as 2 lithium batteries that can be used on any machine with ease. Even more, the lithium batteries can be charged and recharged within 30 minutes. And finally at number 1, we have the PORTERCABLE Combo Kit. Meet the PORTERCABLE Combo Kit, another amazing unit in our arsenal, and a list of must-haves for your garage and workshops. PORTERCABLE is a company with many strengths and its sole aim is to deliver quality and innovative products to customers. If we said that the PORTERCABLE PCCK6198 hadn't enriched the lives of its existing users, we would be terrible liars. It provides you with all the necessary tools for your application whenever and wherever. The PORTERCABLE Combo Kit further features several tools, some of which include a drill driver, circular saw, jigsaw, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, an LED flashlight as well as a grinder for all your varying workshop needs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.